You find the ticket. That's Bangladesh ticket. This ticket you can go inside. Actually, I'm come from Philippines, Manila.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines, Manila. You know Philippines?
No, Bengali.
You don't know? I know you're Bengali, but you know our country, Philippines, Manila. And I come to see here. Too much people and too much crowd here. You can go just ticket. You can enter. Oh, how much? How much this ticket?
20,000.
20,000.
No. 200.
200 only.
200.
Oh. You said 12,000.
200.
200.
200.
So,
200. Price.
Same ticket I can buy. Actually, I'm foreigner. I come from Philippines, you know. So I can buy 200 same or same. Oh, okay. So what's your name? Indrasel. Which player you like? Bengali team. Sakib Al Hasan. Every Sakib Al Hasan. How other people say Riyad bhai.
রিয়াদ ভাই আমাদের মানে